Now children, next periodicity is in terms of metallic and non-metallic properties, right? What is the difference between metals and non-metals? Which property is shown by metals? Electropositive character or electronegative character? Yes, electropositive character is shown by metals, right? What is the meaning of electropositive character? Electropositive character, it means electron losing nature or electron losing tendency. Metals are electropositive. For example, magnesium. Magnesium is metal? Yes. Its atomic number is 12. Electron configuration 282. How many valence electrons are present? 2. Right? What is its strong tendency? To lose electron. To lose its valence electrons and attain stable electron configuration. After loss of electron, then this is scientific notation for loss of electron. After loss of electron, this magnesium atom forms magnesium ion. This is ionic state of magnesium. Which ion? Positive ion. Right? This positive ion, on account of this positive character, metals are electropositive in nature. Charge is positive. Right? Metals are electropositive. Right? Second is just opposite. Non-metals always show electronegative character. Electronegative character, it means electron gaining tendency or nature. For example, chlorine. Atomic number 17. Its electron configuration is 287. Right? Completion of octet or 8 electrons in valence shell of chlorine by accepting 1 electron. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Then after gain of electron, which is shown in this manner. This is scientific notation. Gain of electron is always written towards left hand side of the scientific notation, and then it becomes an ion. Just opposite of metal character. Metals are electropositive and non-metals are electronegative. This tendency is called its electronegativity. Okay children? Like oxygen. Oxygen atomic number is 8. Electron configuration 2,6. 6 valence electrons are present. Only 2 electrons are required to complete its octet. Right? Oxygen is also non-metal. Now, variation. Variation means change in metallic and non-metallic property in the periodic table. Which periodic table? Modern or long form of the periodic table, which is based on atomic numbers, not atomic weights. Right? First is study of metallic character or metallic property. Change in metallic property along the group. Here elements are written in which form? In the form of group. Arrangement of elements in vertical manner, which is group. Right? Elements of first group. On moving down the group, atomic size increases. Atomic size increases and electropositive character also increases. Increasing atomic size increases electron losing tendency. Right? Hydrogen shows dual nature. First alkali metal is lithium. In lithium and cesium, friendship is radioactive, unstable. In lithium and cesium, which element is most electropositive? Obviously cesium, because cesium is bottom second element. Okay, cesium is placed in 6th period. Right? Last is friendship, which is radioactive. Right? This electropositive character increases or metallic character increases on moving down the group. Right? Because metallic character or electron losing tendency depends upon atomic size. Right? Metallic character is directly proportional to atomic size. Okay children? Now comparison of same property, metallic property across the period from left to right in the periodic table. Just opposite nature or tendency. From left to right, this is the direction of movement. Head of arrow is showing direction from this to this, right? From left side to right side. This metallic character or metallic property decreases. Why metallic character decreases? Atomic size decreases. It is gradual. Regular decrease in atomic size, right? Because force of attraction increases. This increasing force of attraction decreases atomic size and decreases its metallic property. You know very well, lithium is metal, but boron shows dual property. Carbon is non-metal, nitrogen non-metal, oxygen non-metal, fluorine non-metal. What is a strong tendency? Electron gaining tendency, not losing tendency. Okay children? Second is metallic properties. Non-metallic properties. Comparison of non-metallic properties along and across. Non-metallic property along the group decreases. Non-metallic nature or property along the group decreases. Right? And what is the direction? Top to bottom, scientific notation. Non-metallic property along the group decreases. Same character from left to right increases. This arrow is showing direction of movement. Okay children? Well-known example, nature of NaCl. NaCl is ionic compound. NaCl is a product of metal and non-metal. Cl is placed below fluorine in 17th group, right? Product of potassium and chlorine is also ionic in nature, right? Product of metal and non-metal is always ionic. Metal and non-metal is always ionic. Okay children, this is the advantage of modern predictable. We can predict nature of any compound, whether compound is ionic or non-ionic.